Hi, I'm Mr. Heng. In this video 6, we shall look at the solutions and answer to question 4 until question 8 that you view in the video 5. So this is question 4. Find the present value of 49,158.60 due in 5 years at an interest rate of 10% per year, compounded quarterly. So you need to find out what is the amount that you need to put in so that you have a total amount of 49,158.60 in 5 years time. So put into the formula of the compound interest. So in this case, quarterly, M is 4, 5 years, you have 4 times 5, therefore the power of the bracket here is 20. So you shall try to solve this. Bring the bracket to the left hand side, we switch the side, then you use your calculator and work out. Your answer should be 30,007. So you need to put in 30,007 so that in 5 years time you have a total saving of $49,158.60. If you don't get the answer, redo the questions and key in the number into the calculator carefully. So you may pause before you look at the next questions. Question 5. How long it will take 10,000 to grow to 15,000 if the investment earn an interest rate of 12% per year compounded quarterly? Now you need to find the number of years to get this amount to grow from 10,000 to 15,000. So put in the formula, quarterly M is 4. So the number of years we do not know. We use the T to represent. So we bring the 10,000 over to the left hand side and we simplify the bracket. Now you simplify the answer on the right hand side and switch the side. So you will get 1.03 power 40 equal to 1.5. You need to apply logarithm on both sides of the equations in order to solve to find t. So put in log. Now use the third logarithmic rule, bring the power 40 and put it in front of the log. Now you shall bring the log 1.03 over to the right hand side to divide. So 40 is equal to log 1.5 divided by log 1.03. You may solve this or you may bring the 4 from left hand side to the right hand side. Now do key in this set of value in your calculator very carefully. And your answer should be 3.43. So it will take about 3.43 years to get your money growing to 15,000. Next, find the amount of an ordinary annuity consisting of 12 monthly payment of $100 that earn interest rate at 12% per year compounded monthly. So you see the word annuity, so you must use the annuity formula. Please identify the I, the M, so that you will get the correct substitution into the formula. Okay. So your M is 12. So per year compounded, so just 1 year, so the T is 1. So you simplify the fractions in the formula there, in the equations there, and solve it. You shall get 1,268.25. Next questions. as a saving program toward Alberto or college education. His parents decide to deposit 100 ringgit at the end of every month into a bank account, pay interest at the rate of 6% per year, compounded monthly. If the saving program began when Alberto was 6 years old, how much money would have accumulated by the time he turned 18? So from the here, they did not give you the number of years. So you need to check when Alberto was 6 years old until 18 years. So you just take 18 minus 6. So the total number of years will be 12. So sub in all the informations in the equations. So you shall get this. I is 0.06. Compounded monthly M is 12. So T 12 years. So you will sub the T as 12. Now simplify all the fractions in the numerator and denominator. Please use the calculator and work out this carefully. Your answer should be 21,015. Okay, we round it up to the whole number. So sometimes you may need to read the questions at least twice before you can really understand what the question wants. Now we shall go to the last question. As I mentioned in video 5, question 8 is an additional questions which require a new formula. So you may not choose to answer this. This is just for your additional interest. So this is the formula I've given to you in video 5. So you sub in this. Okay, because you are paying annually, every year you pay 1,000. R is the interest is 0.15. P is the amount that you borrow. So sub in this, be careful, the power here is negative. So cross multiply, work out the value very carefully, bring the 0.15 over. Here you need to you need to put in all the value in the proper sequence into your calculator. You do not want to do in one go. You may do the numerator first, then only you divide by 0.15. Your answer should be 3,352.15. So this is the amount that Cecilia borrowed after paying for 4,000. So the cost of the car is this amount that she borrowed plus 4,000. Okay, so the cost of the car, the original cost of the car is 7,352.155. How much Cecilia paid for the interest? Remember, she made a down payment of 4,000 plus every year she pay 1,000 for a total of 5 years. Therefore, the total amount she paid is 4,000 plus 5,000 minus the cost of the car. That will give you the interest that she paid for the period of 5 years. So with the 6th video, I hope that you all are more familiar with the formula that you learned. You need to solve the tutorial exercise in the blackboard to make sure that you are more confident in solving the problem. In any of this video, 1 to video 6, if you do have questions that you cannot understand, please ask during the consultations and the seminar time. Thank you, class.